Okay, we got the railings in, and the stair treads are all together because we reused them. So I'm now going to, it turns out it's measuring it right up in here, 36 and 1/8 will work. So I'm going to go get some material. Turns out it's 7 inches about from right here to here. So I want to put these in first. I'm thinking 2 2x4s across there and down here. So that'll keep us parallel by putting them in first. Then we'll go right across with the 2 stair treads. I'm not sure what we're using. I know we're using 1.5 inches, but I don't know. I'm a little worried. I'm a little low there compared to there, so that could be an issue. I might have to bring that up some. Shouldn't have happened, but I think it might have. Okay, so I guess if I have to, I could shim this side a little bit. I guess I better test that. Okay, either way, we're going to start with the 2x4s going across the front. So let's go get some material. And it's coming together. All right, let's get the music back on and keep going.